Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by National Heroes Circle and we're going to give you an update on the construction of the new Parliament building. Now, every year you hear about construction going to start, and this project has been on the books for quite some time, a few years. So the government has come out, or the UDC has come out and said the project is delayed and they don't know when construction is going to start. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what is happening here. Now, the government has big plans, or I should say the UDC has big plans for this area. This is National Heroes Circle. The National Heroes Park is actually at the bottom of this road. You're going to see the gate soon. And that's where the national heroes of Jamaica are buried. But this is a massive piece of land, acres upon acres, prime real estate in the heart of the city of Kingston. So the plan is to build a new parliament building here and develop around it. There are 3 government ministries around it, and the plan is to build literally a mini city right here. That was the original plan. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information as to why this project is delayed. The construction of Jamaica's new parliamentary building at National Heroes Park has faced significant delays, with no clear start date currently in sight. The Urban Development Corporation, the project's manager, is reviewing the entire National Heroes Park project in accordance with government guidelines. The review process has halted progress, and the UDC has not provided a timeline for completing this evaluation. A major reason for the delay stems from an international open bidding process where the only proposal received exceeded the project's budget. The UDC is now re-examining the scope of the project to ensure cost effectiveness and value for money, but it has refrained from disclosing detailed costs, citing confidentiality. In 2020, the estimated cost of construction of the new Parliament building was around US 50 million or 7.5 billion Jamaican, and the final designs from Design Collaborative Limited, led by architect Evan Williams, were received. The environmental impact assessment, released in October 2020, suggested a construction timeline from May 2021 to March 2023, though this has already reflected a slight delay from the original start date in early 2021. As the review continues, no new bids will be solicited until the evaluation is completed, which adds further uncertainty to the project's timeline. This delay has also affected the overall procurement process, with the original pre-qualification tender extended in 2021 and the actual bid extended into 2022. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So they're talking about 2020, 2021, 2022, and we are coming to the end of 2024 now. So it has been delayed. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on any new development. Alright guys, have a good day.